Girls, are you ready for the 30-day Total Body Transformation Challenge, Part 2? This 30-day challenge is designed to help you transform your body, improve your strength, and boost your confidence. Each day, you'll have a different workout goal that targets different muscle groups and aspects of fitness. Here is challenge schedule for second week. Week 2, Strength and Tone. Day 8 to 15-minute push-up challenge. Day 9 to 20-minute leg day, squats and lunges. Day 10 to 20-minute arm toning. Day 11 to 20-minute core workout. Day 12 to 20-minute full body circuit. Day 13, rest or yoga. Day 14 to 30-minute Pilates. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted when I release third part of this 30-day Total Body Transformation Challenge for girls.